Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You have the app and permissions. Open Pixlr and tap the plus or open button to start immediately. Once done, pick an image or new canvas size. Select a preset like 1920 x 1080 for social posts or custom dimensions for print. Make sure to set orientation and background type so layers behave predictably. You're starting with a clean workspace. Now zoom, pan, and preview to confirm the framing before making any destructive edits. You'll now perform the main edits. Open Adjust to correct exposure, contrast, highlights, and shadows. Tweak sliders gradually to avoid clipping. Then use Crop and Rotate. Pick one of the aspect presets like 1:1 or 16:9 to reframe. Make selective fixes with the Heal or Clone tools. Once done, add a new layer for text, stickers, or overlays, and adjust opacity or blend modes to blend elements naturally into the photo. You're at the finish line. Export using Save or Export. Choose JPEG for web or PNG for transparency, and set quality, around 80 to 100% depending on needs. Make sure to also save a layered file if you want to edit later. Keep the original untouched. If something goes wrong, tools lag, missing layers, or crashes, force close Pixlr, clear cache, and reopen. If that fails, restart your phone and reopen the project to recover normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.